everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make your post private on Tumblr mobile. So follow the following steps and you should be able to do that easily. Step 1. Create a post. So after creating your post that you want to make private, the next thing you're going to do is step 2. Tap the three dots. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select post privately. This will ensure that only you can see the post on your Tumblr blog. Now, if you want to make your entire blog private, you need to adjust your blog settings from the Tumblr dashboard page. This option is typically available for secondary blogs, not the main blog associated with your Tumblr account. You can also schedule posts to be published at a later time, giving you more control over when your private content becomes visible. So consider using tags or labels to categorize your private posts for easier organization and retrieval. Regularly review your privacy settings to ensure they align with your desired level of privacy. By following these steps, you can effectively control the visibility of your Tumblr posts and maintain your privacy on the platform. That's it. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.